Jai class, welcome live class of computer science. Students, previous class we have discussed many things of the animated CC and I hope everyone practice. Huh? Now today, whatever we have discussed previous class, after that I will start the new things, new topics. So students now, just we are just here the first of all PDF file. You can see. Students, whatever the previous class we have discussed how to start, first of all what is animate and how to start the animate workspace or whatever the tools panel, properties panel, these all we have discussed. Even tools panel, drawing, how to draw the tools, there are drawing tools, various tools are there, polystar tool we have discussed, students, curving, how to curve them, uh, polygon tool, magic wand tool, selection tool we have discussed here. Okay. Now students, today we will discuss the transforming the object. That means in animate the pen tool provides different variants that can be used to add new anchor point between the existing point. Remove an anchor point or convert a curve point to a corner point. This option helps in transforming one shape to another. Students, here saying that with the help of the pen tool, we can change the shape of its corner point. We can remove them, we can add them, and many things we can do. We can change the shape of this one. Suppose this is this is the star. Now when we change this like this, we will get. How we will get, students? Now showing with the practical. Students, I have already opened now get option. Here, this is the first stage, scene 1. Students, here showing that select the polystar tool. So first of all, we will go the polystar tool. This is many tools are given, polystar tool, and now we have already from options already chosen the star. Because the polygon option also given here, but we have already chosen the star option. So star and click on OK. Now we will draw a star. Okay, students, we have drawn the star. Now what we have to do, students? Now we will go where? When we have polystar tool from tool pans we have drawn, choose the pen tool. Choose the pen tool, students. So there is the pen tool. This is the pen tool. Okay. Now we have chosen, and what's saying that after that click on the star outline. It will display the various anchor point by which this shape has been formed. See one. Now we have chosen star. This is pen tool. Now it's the outer point. So this everyone see. This all are the anchor point. Okay, all the point are given. One, this is the outer part. 2, 3, like this. These all are the anchor point. Okay, students. Now after that, what we have to do, students? Now see in your book. Click on drop down arrow present at the lower right corner of the pen tool and select the add anchor point. Now students, here what we have to do, students, from this there are many options are given. Pen tool, whatever we are doing, add anchor point tool, delete anchor point tool, and convert anchor point tool. Now add anchor point tool. Okay, so add anchor point tool, we have to any place we can add. This is anchor point tool. Okay, but if you want to add here, we have done here. Okay, this way. Students, now we have added anchor point. Okay, student, now what's saying? Click on the drop down arrow present in lower. This thing we have done. Now select the sub-selection tool and drag the different anchor point to modify the shape as shown in figure 6.18. We can see students. This is sub-selection tool. Okay. What we can do? Suppose we are increasing by this way. Anyway. Okay. This way we can do. Okay, done. Everyone can see whatever we have done with the anchor point. We have sub-selection tool. We have done this. Also, we can draw like this friends. Now I am Control Z. We are using. If we will this way. Okay, students, say one. How the nice diagram now we have got. Okay, so this way we can draw. Again, we are doing students. First of all, what we have to do, students? First of all, we will go on the polyster tool. Okay, options, there we have already chosen a star point. So this we have to draw the star. Okay, we have drawn the star. Now we click on the pen tool. We will select here pen tool only and click on this outer part of the star. Now this all the anchor point is showing. If you want to add the more anchor point, so we will go and select the pen tool and here choose the add anchor point tool. Now suppose if where you want, then you can click on there. See here, I am doing here students. Yes, we have completed now. Now students, select sub-selection tool. We will click on here and with the help of this one, any shape we can do. Now I am doing like this. Whatever we have done the previous. Okay, this way you can. Now we have got. Okay, students. So if everyone clear. Next is given. Same here. Now select the subset tool and drag the different anchor points to modify the shape and so in this figure 6.18, whatever given. You can convert a curved anchor point to a corner point with the hard angles by selecting the convert anchor point tools from the various of the pen tool and clicking on the desired point. And if you want to convert a corner point to a curve, click and drag the point. Students, CV1. File, go on new option, then create option. Okay, again we are going to polystar tool. Option we have already. Yes, now pen tool. Click on here. Now click on the convert. Okay, students. CA1. Okay, the same shape we have got. This thing, modify a shape using the anchor point. Okay, the pen tool automatically turns into a modifier as you hover the mouse pointer over a path or anchor point. To delete an anchor point, then select the delete anchor point tool and click on the point that you want to delete. Students, see one how we have drawn. Again, I am telling you. First of all, what we have to do, students, Go on the polystar tool, select, now draw this star by the with the help of the pen tool. Now we have got the anchor point. Now with the help of the convert anchor pen tool, we can with a only, yes, this way you can convert this corner point as a curve. Okay, now we have got these strings. And if you talk about delete option, we can delete here. Yes, different shape we will get. See here, we are deleting the this anchor point. Okay, we have got this shape. Suppose we have deleted, see here. If anchor point will deleted, so all the figure will be removed. Clear, students? Now we have done this, students. By the control Y, we have undo and redo. You have learn these things. So with the help of that one, this shortcut keys we have again recall it. Okay, students. Now after that, coloring the tools. These things we have done, students. See everyone. This is a file and new options. Create option. Coloring option. Suppose we want to draw this diagonal, this rectangle. Okay, rectangle tool. This is the bucket tool. What we have to do? Any color choose we have chosen. This is already black. We can choose any other color. And when we draw it, it's already fill it. So these things is same. Students. Say the pen bucket tool. Click on the fill color button and appears. You can also fill color options from the properties panel. So we are doing with the properties panel. Okay. Next, this understood is pen bucket tool. Now, ink bottle. It is used to change the stroke color. Achha, okay. Students, here there is given. This is a pen bucket tool where we have done. Now ink bottle tool. When we have done, okay, we will select first of all. See, this is the ink bottle tool. Okay, this one is. So, what is the use of ink bottle tool? Issuance. Select the ink bottle tool. Choose the stroke color, width, and the style or shape. Outline the properties panel. So here there is given stroke color, style, anything here, width. Okay, see here. Okay, students. Just now we have done this. See this, whatever we are doing. Okay. So this way we can change using the ink bottle tool. Now eraser tool. What is the use of the eraser tool, students? This tool, you know that with the help of with the name, we can say erase the something. So what we can erase? This tool helps you to erase unwanted lines and fills of an object from the stage. When you click on the eraser tool, it displays three modifiers: eraser, mode, and pocket, and erase shape. Eraser mode, pocket, and erase shape. Select tool, erase mode. Erase mode modifier have parts, the types is given. Okay, 5 types: normal, fields, lines, selected files, and inside. Okay, so now first of all, students, we have to draw something. Go on the file, new option, create option. Okay, this thing we have completed. Now we are going to draw this. Okay, changes here now, so we will change this thing we have got. Okay students, now click on the eraser. This is the eraser tool students. From eraser, this is erase mode, pocket, this one is use pressure sensitive, and this thing is given. So first of all, eraser tool have a parts: erase normal, erase fills, erase lines, erase selected fills, and erase inside. Erase normal means normally we can here we have okay. This is pocket tool. Now what's the use of it, students? We'll select this one. So if you want to delete all the, so what we have to do, see this, the color will be removed. Okay. Now save one. This is erase normal. Normally we can erase it. All things we can. You can see students what is use of the erase normal. Erase all lines and fills of an object wherever the erase tool is dragged. Erase all lines and fills of an object. You will see this. All things we can erase. This all things are erased. Okay. So this is the, when we want to draw, when we want to remove all things, we can delete. So we can use the eraser normal. Erase fills. Erase fills. Again we have drawn. I want to see what the use of the erase fills. Now select the erase fills. Okay. What's the use of it? Students, first of all, see. Erases only the filled areas of an object while the outlines remain unaffected. Means erases only the filled area where the color has been filled. So color this place is filled, and this is the outer part. So everyone see this erase, but when you removing this line, this edges, what happens to us? See, there is no affected. We can see here, erase only the filled areas of an object while the outlines remain unaffected. Okay, erase lines, erase only stroke without affecting the fills. C1. This is just opposite. Third, erase lines. See this is erases. When we doing here, there is no any affected of this one. Okay, this is all. This is affected. If it's this point we are doing. This point, if you are doing, this is also affected, C1. But when you doing this one, this is not affected. Again, I am doing a face area we are taking, students. See again, students. Eraser, we are choosing the erase lines. If your line we are removing, So line will be affected. See here. But when the fill area not affected. Clear students? Next one is erase selected fields. Help erasing the fields of a selected part of an object without affecting the stroke. Suppose this is the selected part, okay? And what happens? Now erase. Okay. Yes. Hmm. Suppose this place selected. Okay. This is corner part. Yes. So by this way we can do. Next one is given strengths. Erase inside. Erase only the area of fill part of an object without affecting the strokes. Suppose next one we are taking new. Anything we can take. Okay. Now go on the eraser part. Choose it's the last point. Okay. Again, maybe you already selected. Okay, this last part. No problem, students. This thing you have understood. Last part only the will, whatever fill part, it will be removed. Clear, students? Next one is given width tool. What is use of the width tool means we can. This tool is used to decorate a stroke by adding the multiples width in it. The decorate stroke can be saved as a width profile that can be applied to the other strokes. Students, how we will do this? I am just telling you with this practical. Next, okay, we have removed. Now, next one is we use the line tool. The need of the stroke, a little bit stroke. We have drawn this. Okay. Now click on this option with tool. This is present here. Click on here. Students, from where you want to see here. This is the stroke point. If you want to, again, yes, you can reshape of this one. Clear? Understood everyone, students? How we are doing? See, so this is the with the help of the this width tool and line tool. Width tool, from the tools panel, drag and hover the mouse on the stroke. You will notice that mouse pointer changes to this side. Now click on the width point that you want to move and drag the mouse pointer to the outward inward direction. Observe the changes in the stroke. So this is using a width tool. Again I am telling students, now we have removed line tool, stroke. We can change the style of this one with drawing this way. Now use the width tool. See, changes. Okay, so this way we can draw. So many shape you can do with the help of this one. Okay, students. So you have to practice better. Clear? After that, this is given the frame by frame techniques. So frame by frame techniques, students, we have to discuss the next class. This is the like animate work. Okay. So next class we will discuss. This is the last topic of this one. Now the animating of an object and yes, so these topics we will study next class, and also we will discuss the question answer, students, and with the exercise. Okay, so what we have discussed, students, today, students, we have discussed transforming the object. This is a very important part of this one. How to use the with the help of polystar tool and pen tool, we can reshape. We can change the star to its corner point like this, this point. So now we just know that how to change it with the help of the pen tool. The part of the pen tool, you know, students. This is the pen tool, students. This is the four part: pen tool, add anchor, point tool, delete anchor, and convert. So we have already practiced, students. Okay. These things we have used here. This place also we have used. This one is ink ball, students. After that, what we have done, students, then we have discussed the coloring the tools. This thing already you know very well. Okay, ink bottle, eraser tool. There are 5 part of this of erase modifier mode: erase normal, erase fields, erase lines, erase selected fields, erase inside. So this thing also we have done, students. Very important things. How to with the tool. Now this is very interesting things you have done, and I hope everyone do these things. Okay. So students, next things we will discuss the frame by frame. So now, students, we have discussed all things of animated CC, like how to change the star tools, its outer part as a curve point. Okay, how to we can color, how to use the color bucket tool, ink bucket tool, and also with the tool, eraser tool. These are things we have discussed today. Next class we will discuss the frame by frame, how to use the animate work. Okay, students. So now, students, you have to practice whatever we have told today, and next class. Okay, till the next class. Jai Hind, students. Thank you, students.